Hey everybody, it's Matt from Makuma Mods. So today we're going to be doing a pretty quick unboxing and just look over. I got a basically it's a silicone mat, but what's nice about this is it's a work mat, so it's got like little convex. I think that's the right word. I don't know. I'm not that smart. There's like little pockets everywhere that you can hold all your items. Now this is the smaller version, which I was just testing it out to see how the smaller one was, and then we'll get a bigger one from there. But what's nice about this is if you work with resin prints and cleanup and things like that, soldering, taking apart things. This is a really, really great mat to have because it's got all the storage that you can have for doing that type of stuff. Like you can put your screwdrivers in here and whatnot. So without further ado, let's get to it. So it says this platform is an ideal product for soldering, repair, or assembly electronics. Basically what I just said. It is a perfect large area to work. The mat has excellent heat insulation, performance, design, anti-slip, and anti-static. The soldering iron can directly solder on the mat. It resists corrosion and out of shape. It's made of high-quality silicone. The mat adds built-in scale ruler. That's the nice thing to have. 70 screws position, 3 pieces part box with a lid, and magnetic sections to make your work easy. So all in all, it sounds like a pretty good deal, and this was $15 on Amazon. I'm not sure how long it's going to stay there, but I'll put a link to the description below of where I ordered it from. But let's take a gander at what this is. All right, pretty simple. Only thing inside the box. That's good. Alright, it's a pretty thick mat actually. I didn't think it was going to be that thick. So as you can see, it's a pretty beefy mat. Like what? That's probably 2 millimeters thick. Let's take some measurements, shall we? Yeah, so we're actually almost about 5 3/4. So let's call it 6 about. Or if you want, you can round it down to 5.5. So it's about, I don't know, maybe 2 feet long by a foot. So 1 foot by 2 feet. So it looks like we have a magnet here. So let's see. I think that's a magnet. Well, there's definitely a magnet in there. We might have to magnetize that. I don't think it sticks very well. So we might have to remagnetize that at least. But yeah, here's our little screws position, and it does have a box countdown, which I guess is kind of good because if you're going in a specific order, you can start from the top, and then when you're reassembling, you can just go back through that. So that's actually really nice to have instead of having like a pile of screws here, a pile of screws here, and a pile of screws there, depending on what you're working on. And some of the screws might look the same, so you're not really sure what ones go to what. So it's kind of nice to have that. So then we have our 2 parts compartment here. Looks like a magnet. So there's 3 magnets on here. Yep. Then we have parts A, parts B, parts C, little areas, area for tools, and tool supplies. So that would be like your solder and whatnot. And then you guys probably can't see it, but there's the ruler right there. So, and it's in centimeters, so it goes 0 to 25 centimeters, as it stated. This is a mostly solid silicone mat, but except for the work area, probably so it can disperse heat if you are soldering on here. My guess, I don't know. I'm not an engineer with that. I don't really know too much about silicone. Besides that, if you're using this for like resin printing or or glue. Really, from what I was told, silicone, basically nothing sticks to silicone, which is really, really cool. So that's why it's used in a lot of baking stuff. So all in all, pretty good mat. I can't complain for $14.99 on Amazon. Like I said, I'll leave it a link below if you'd like to check it out and maybe purchase one. There are two versions of this. I think the other one is $20, if I'm not mistaken, and it is slightly bigger, but you'll have to look at the dimensions of your work area. But as of right now, that's a pretty good work area, so I'm not destroying my my giant mouse pad here, which I really, really like. And I ended up destroying the last one, which is why I got this mat, because I didn't want to destroy it again. So yeah, my impressions are pretty good here, so I really dig it. If you guys like it, go ahead and purchase one, by all means. That would be awesome. And that's pretty much it, guys. Until then, happy gaming, or, depending on what you're watching, happy printing.